Now, the only difference between what we did yesterday and today is that I'm adding another variable. Okay? So we're going to kind of unpack what that means in a second. But first step is always to rewrite the expression. Please do this. It's so important. And after you do that, you need to identify your like terms. We should be okay at this, but we still need some practice. So we have an 8C. Is there another C somewhere here? Yeah, there's a C here. And there's a minus 2C that's attached to it. So these are two like terms. Then we go left to right. We did the C. Now we're going to do the D. A plus 6D. Make sure, always grab the operation also. And then the other D is right over here. So these are identified our like terms. Now we will collect. Now whenever we collect like terms with more than one variable, so we have a C and a D, two variables, we do it in alphabetical order. So A, B, C, D. So C goes first. So instead of using notability, I can just duplicate. C goes first, and I always put the positive C first. I put the minus after the positive. It makes my life easier. So now we've collected our like terms. That makes it easier to combine our like terms. Okay, we'll use the same colors here to make sure we got it. So we have an 8C minus 2C. If you have 8 cats and you take away 2 cats, you have 6 cats. Okay? If you have 6 dogs and you take away 4 dogs, you now have 2 dogs, or a positive 2 dogs. So that's why our final expression is 6C plus 2D. Okay? Let's look at another one. Write the expression first. 8n plus 9m minus 2m minus 5n. And the first thing you do is to identify your like terms. You got to identify them before you can move them. So start left to right. We have an 8n. Is there another n here? Oh, it's at the end. And the minus 5 is attached to it. So they move all in a piece. Next, we have a positive 9m. Oh, look, we have another m next to it, a minus 2m. We've identified. Next, we need to collect our like terms. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So M goes first. We have a plus 9m and a minus 2m. Now we have an 8n and a minus 5n. What goes first? Why, the positive 8n. And there's no positive here, so we can just add 1, because we know that 8 is a positive number. Plus 8n minus 5n. And that is us collecting our like terms. Now our last step is to combine. So let me use our highlighter again just to make sure we know what we're combining exactly. So if you have 9 mice and you take away 2 mice, you now have 7 mice. So 9m minus 2m is 7m. If you have 8 nouns and you take away 5 nouns, you have 3 nouns, or a positive 3 nouns. So 8n minus 5n is 3n. So our answer is going to be 7m plus 3n. Okay? Good luck.